Morning, fellas. Today we are up at the crack of dawn making some sucuk and eggs. Sorry if I don't have my usual energy. I just woke up. But we've cut these sucuks into ordinary pieces like so. We're just going to give them a bit of a fry. No oil needed in this pan. There is plenty of fat inside these pieces. Something I have all my life. Probably since I was a baby I've been eating this. I can't even remember when I started eating it, to be honest. Just a little sear is good enough for us. Just going to give them a flip. The heat might be a little bit too high for us because it is smoking heavily, so I'm going to lower it a bit. Sweet. So we've probably got too much heat. See how much blackness we're getting? We don't want that too much. So I think I went a bit too hard at the start. And that's not good for 6:30 AM, is it? Let's crack our eggs then. That's gonna wake up the family. They're gonna be like, who the fuck is cooking something at 6:30 AM? We've got 4 eggs for this amount of sugar. Literally gonna lower the heat some more. There, you've got it on the very lowest. When our eggs are in, you just want to create dimples like this. Also to spread the yolk, but to also get some of the other bits cooking. I like to make dimples on the pan so that some of the raw egg can come in contact with the hot pan. 80% cooked. And there's no more jiggly, watery bits with the yolk in the egg. I like to turn off the heat because the residual heat in the pan would be enough. You can't have this without Lebanese bread or Turkish bread or some other kind of bread. So I've heated my Lebanese bread in the microwave and it's become more soft. I'm just going to keep that to the side. What I would do, grab a piece of bread. Literally like that. Lebanese bread, grab a piece of sucuk and egg, like so. Wrap it up and stick it in my mouth. Oh, that sounded dirty. Grab your spring onion. I hope you enjoyed, guys. This is a recipe as I've said, I've been making my whole life. I can't even remember when. But such a classic. Sucuk and eggs.